This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaiser Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, my brother. How's it?
Sharp,
Sharp, thanks, man.
I know we are happy. I mean, good performance. Yonkinto berat intensity. Yonkinto je. Yeah, be sharp. Yeah, but I mean, Lady Luck was not there. But anyway, a point is something. We've got 10 points. Sila Papesu look number 1. Yeah. Logo je spongo ngani spongo good. Yeah. So at the moment, happens again. Yeah.
What is that you think Chiefs didn't do tonight to win this game?
We didn't take our chances, especially in the first half. First half, we should have buried them. But other than that, we are happy with that point. Yeah. Because I mean, Sundowns the past 3 seasons they shy Eligin. So at least this season, Sikonu could see
number one.
Number 1.
Thanks, my brother. All the best on Saturday against Arrows.
Yeah, no, Arrows nayo enye tap nayo esongolisayo, but the way abafana badlala ngakhona sizophumelela because ukuwina league you don't have to uthi Sundowns or Pirates. La matapo na la mancane yiwo lawa kuthatha kubeka empumelelweni.
Number 1. Sabonga kakhulu bafana.
Akingobo.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.